Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pretty fun video, I think. I saw some new products when I was picking up a few little makeup items, and I've never seen this brand before, but it is called Found Beauty, and I saw it at Walmart. So I got an eyeshadow palette and a liquid lipstick, and I really wanted to try it out and let you guys know what I thought. So the whole idea behind this whole collection, and it's not just beauty, they have skincare items too, which I think is so cool. So basically it is made out of just items that are found in nature, and it said that it was, I think, 90 to 95% natural ingredients, which I think is super awesome. That is right up my alley, so I was really excited to find this. Like I said, they do also have skincare products. I was really surprised to see this because I had never seen this line at all, and they had a lot of stuff. Like, they had a bunch of makeup. Not all of the makeup was in stock yet, but I think all of the skincare items were, and they had things like targeting different types of skincare issues. Like, they had things for dry skin, they had like brightening treatments, they had oily skin. Like, it was really cool. And they had masks, and oh, they had an oil cleanser, which makes me really upset because I was looking for an oil cleanser the other day, and then I ended up having to get something else, and then I saw that oil cleanser, but I'm not gonna buy it right now because I just bought that other cleanser. Whatever. The rest of my makeup is already completely done, as you can see. Oh, and by the way, I did get a sample of the Fenty foundation, and that is what I'm wearing right now. I actually did a review video of it, so I will link that down below and you can go check that out and see what I thought. Go watch that video because it was a good one. And let's go ahead and break into some of these products and see what we think. So I'm gonna go into the eyeshadow palette first. They had two different eyeshadow palettes. They had a more neutral one with like browns, and it looked super gorgeous. Honestly, I had a really hard time deciding which palette I wanted to get, but I only wanted to get one, so I decided to go with this one, which is very purpley. It also has some blues, has a green, which is really cool. I don't really wear green that much, but like, I see other people with green eyes wearing green makeup, and I think it's so pretty. I might start doing that. So this, what is this even called? Blush. So this is the blush palette. Ooh, they've got like little names for the shades. I don't know why I thought there wouldn't be names for the shade, but it's cute. Oh, and the packaging, by the way, is super pretty. So it's just this like, you know, like regular eyeshadow palette, but it has like starburst designs on it, which I think is super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of these. I hope they're good. Okay, I'm gonna swatch this purple one because that is the one that I've been looking at this entire time. Oh no. Oh no. Is this even purple? It swatches like a brown. Oh no. It looks brown. Okay, let's try this sparkly blue. So that purple was the shade Iris, and now I'm trying Pewter. Okay, Pewter is better. Pewter is a little bit better. So there's the two of those. Not the best. Okay, let's go for the green. Let's see what it does. Oh, that's pretty. It doesn't really come across as like a green. It looks more gold. That's like a really nice inner corner highlight shade. Okay, so I'm kind of confused because it seems like they're not really coming across, like when you swatch it, what they look like in the pan. So that's a little bit concerning, but we're just gonna go ahead and try this out and see what we think. So I am using this little fluffy brush by e.l.f. This is called the Blending Eye Brush. I really like this one a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go into the color Tea Rose. They have really cute names for these. I just hope. Oh, that was my cat. She scared me. I'm a little nervous about the color payoff, but here we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna start this in the crease. I feel like this is probably honestly the same color as my skin. Like, why did I start with this shade? This makes no sense. I'm gonna move on to Dune. Okay, let's try that color instead. Okay, I'm seeing a little something there. I think this is actually a nice color. It's like a nice soft brown. Ooh. It's like the perfect transition shade. Love my transition shades. So now the question is, do I want to go for the purples and the pinks, or do I want to go for the blues? I know, Luna. What do I want to do? I actually really like that Dune shade, surprisingly. I thought that it wasn't going to show up at all. What do I want to use next? Okay, I'm going to go into Tulip. That one looks really pretty. I'm going to actually, I don't want to use this brush for that. What am I thinking? I'm going to use my shader brush. And do I want to spray it with water? I'm going to try it dry first. And then I think I might spray it with water. Ooh. Okay, so I'm noticing that the colors are very, very subtle, but I do think that they are pretty. They're like very feminine and very girly. I really wanted these colors to be just a little more pigmented because I kind of like the whole like vibe from this palette. I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look from it. I just don't think they're going to be pigmented enough. Okay, I'm gonna try spraying my brush. I don't really have any like setting spray, but got my Mario Badescu. So I'm going to just spray the brush. I'm gonna go back into Tulip and we'll see if we get some better color payoff. It's a little better, but not by much. I don't even know if you guys can see this at all on camera. Like, it's so subtle. Oh, I had such high hopes. Okay, I'm getting a little more. I wonder if I were to go in with my finger. Because, you know, some you just have to apply with the finger. Okay, no. No, you have to use the brush. That did absolutely nothing. I guess let's go into Iris, which is the one that I thought was purple but then lit brown. So we're gonna see what it looks like on the eyelid now. Ooh, okay, it actually has, it looks a lot better on the eye. I should have planned this out better. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna do this on like the outer half of the eye. That's actually a pretty color. I just really want more pigmentation. I'm going to grab that first brush and just kind of blend. I'm gonna try my pencil brush just to get more concentrated color. And I'm going to pick up Iris and just like dab it on, dab, dab, dab. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm not getting anything. I am so disappointed in this. Okay, let's just keep going. Let's pull through. We can get a look. We can do it. Like, it's there. It's buildable, but I wanted something more wabam, like more, like I want the color that's in the pan. I want that on my face. I don't want it to be quite so subtle. I am just so sad. Disappoint. I'm picking up more of Dune just to blend it a little. I'm noticing that it's getting just a little bit patchy where I keep like layering it, trying to get some more pigmentation. Oh dear. So far, I like Dune and I like Iris. Everything else in this palette is useless. I like what I have so far. I'm gonna go into, oh, what color is that? Raven. It looks like maybe it's a black. I thought it was a dark blue. I'm gonna go into it. We're going into Raven. I'm gonna do almost like a smoky wing type thing. Okay, so I'm taking this all the way across the lid and then I'm going to smoke it out with Iris. Let's smoke it out. Come on. Now I'm going to make it a little sharper with my Kat Von D. So I want to kind of have it where like the top of the wing is a little more smoky and the bottom is sharp. So let's see if we can manage this. Okay, I'm gonna take the purple, go under my lash line. Why is there more pigment under my eye than above it? I think I really need to brighten up the lid area a little bit, so I'm going to, what do I want to do? Ooh, that's a pretty color. Quartz. Okay, I'm just gonna take it on my ring finger. I'm going to go into quartz on the ring finger. Oh, that's bright. It's like a white. I'm telling you, like none of these look the same in the pan. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna set it on there and blend it out with this one. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Change of plan. I'm gonna go into peony with my flat brush. We're gonna put that over here. Okay, that doesn't look so bad. And for my inner corner highlight, you know what? I'm just gonna go into this green. Like, why not? It looks like a fun shade. Alright, so I've just put on a little bit of mascara and now let's try the lipstick. Hopefully it goes better than the eyeshadows. Let's see now. So this is in the shade Honeysuckle. It's a really pretty like light pink shade. They had a lot of different colors. I feel like they were all kind of the same. They were all just like a medium pink. They had one that was a berry and then one that was a nude, but then they had 3 pinks, so it was kind of weird. But anyway, it looks really cute. The packaging, again, like they're so good at packaging. This is adorable. It's very creamy. Is this supposed to be matte or what is this supposed to be? Yeah, this is a matte lip. Cool. That's a really pretty color. I don't really have anything like this. It has a really good scent. Like that smells like cookies. That smells so good. I don't like the applicator. I feel like it makes it a little streaky. But I do think the overall product still looks okay. Close up, it does not look okay. It does not feel like it's going to be matte anytime soon. So I don't really know why it said matte on there. I feel like it's making my lips look drier than they are. This is weird. Guys, I'm really disappointed. I had such high hopes for this. Like the whole like 90 to 95% natural products. Like I was so about that. It just, it sucked. It sucked. It really did. Like, it was not the worst that I've ever had, to be completely honest. Like at least we got something semi-decent out of it. The lipstick, yeah, it feels very wet. Like, you know, matte liquid lips, I always try down. ColourPop, my jam. It's wet. It's still wet. And then the eyeshadows, I feel like there's some good stuff in here, but I think they should have done a little more work before releasing this new line, to be totally honest. Like, okay, that black, that was pigmented. That was pigmented. It was pretty. That light pink, that was really pretty. That was gorgeous. The one that I used on the inner part, Dune, great. Like this, I feel like this whole top row is useless. It's super, super subtle. Like that's the problem, is that everything in this palette is so subtle that you can't really see it, and you have to pile it on and like layer and layer to actually get any sort of color payoff. But by the time you layer that much, it starts getting patchy. Yeah, I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I am going to give this 2 thumbs down. It let me down. I'm really sad. I just had such high hopes. Like I wanted to go out and buy this entire line. Yeah, it's transferring. Like, what the heck? It's a gorgeous color. I'm definitely gonna wear it. It's not a matte lip, it's a cream lip. The color itself is really, really pretty. Their packaging is spot on. The products, subpar. Very subpar. Maybe in like a year when they have like done more development, it'll be better. I still really want to try some of the skincare products. I'm not going to make a final decision on the entire line. These are only 2 products. Maybe the other palette is better. I don't know. And that's just why I wish everywhere that sold makeup had testers. Because I really wanted to swatch this, but they didn't have testers, so I couldn't swatch it. If I'd swatched it, I would have known that there's no color payoff. There is no pigmentation at all, and that is what drives me insane. Like, why are you going to sell a makeup product with no pigmentation? That's what we want. We need the pigmentation. Ugh. Yeah, I swear I swatched it on my hand. I talk with my hands, if you haven't noticed. It's like all over my hand. Maybe next time I'll have something better for you that actually works. I feel like all of these like testing makeup things I've done recently have just been fails, so hopefully one of these days I'll have something good for you guys. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching my misery and my pain and my disappointment. Next time, I promise it will not be that way. We'll have a better video. And don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell so that you are notified every single time that I post a new video. And I'll just see you guys in the next one. Bye!